Hello everyone, my name is Shamshakar. In this video we are going to see about routing information protocol version 1 and 2. In here I just connected to router 0 and router 1 here. Here I have used components of PC0, PC laptop 1. Then the router 2 I have used PC1 and laptop 1. Then they both are connected to a switch 0 by using fast Ethernet. Then the switch is connected to the router 0 by fast Ethernet. Then from router 0 to router 1 it just connected through automatically choosing the connection type in here. Then these are copper wires and they are also connected to the fast Ethernet cables. In here I have used the network IPS 192.168.1.0. Then the IP address of this is 192.168.1.2. Then default gateway is 1.1 for this router, and default gateway for this router 1 is 192.168.2.1, and the laptop the same way for everything. Then the IP address of laptop is 192.168.2.3. Let's see in here. Desktop IP address is 1.2 as I written in here. So then subnet mask is automatically created. Then default gateway is 192.168.1.1. This is the default gateway, right? For router 0, this is the default gateway. Then for laptop 0, as I said before, when you go for a desktop and router configuration, just shows that IP address is 1.3 as I just type in here 1.3. The default gateway is 192.168.1.1. For this router everything is 1.1. For this router which is 2.1, you can just open that. This is 2.1. Then laptop 1, then IP address is 192.168.2.3. Then subnet mask is automatically created and default gateway is 2.1. Then in router 0, I have configured everything in here. Router. First I just enable the router, then I just give configure T. Then I just give the interface of FA0 by 0. FA0 by 0 is because I just interface is FA0 by 0 in here, so I just use FA0 by 0. Then IP address of the network, I just use the IP address of the network, then subnet mask. Then I just give a shutdown, then I just exited. Then I just use interface for this router SC0 by 2 here. Then IP address is the network address in here. Then I just use a subnet mask in here. I just made a mistake in here, so I just used again and added a subnet mask. Here I just use the clock rate because the clock symbol is in here, so I just use the clock rate in here 64,000. Then I just gave shutdown. Then I just exited. After that, I just went to router 1. In here I just did the same thing, but the IP of the uh, network is different, just different. Then I just use the SC0 by 0. Then there is no clock rate in here this side, so I didn't use the clock rate here. So clock rate, then I just give shutdown. Then I just give the router rep. Then I just give the network ID, then network ID of here of this router to router network ID. Then I just give and I just exited the same way. I did the router 1 also. Now you can just use it here. Then do show IP protocol. In here it just shows that it's version 1. It's version 1. This is the version 1 of a routing information protocol. We can just give the packet from here to here. Just shows successful. Then PC0 to PC1. in progress, failed, successful. Then laptop 0 to PC 1, successful. Then laptop 0 to laptop 1, failed, then successful. Okay, this is the IP protocol, RIP version 1. When we need to go for version 2, you can just go in here. Um, 50. Sorry, I just made a mistake. 50. Version 2. Version 2. Now it's just trend for version 2. In here, it just shows that it's version 2. Now it's changed to version 2. Now we can just transfer the packets from PC 0 to PC 1. Just shows successful. Then PC 0 to PC laptop 1, successful. Then laptop 0 to PC 1, successful. Then laptop 0 to laptop 1, it's also successful. Thank you guys.